Hi you guys, welcome to the Beginner's Morning Yoga for Weight Loss. Today I have for you a quick yoga for weight loss class, and it's putting together a couple of the tutorials that I'd done for yoga if you had watched them. So it's very quick, it'll be fun. Stick around and let's do this. Hey you guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm happy that you're here and that you're doing something wonderful for yourself. So if you are ready, roll out that mat and let's begin today. Coming into your tabletop, get yourself situated and then come into your child's pose. Pull those hips back all the way to your heels. Arms are stretched out in front of you, fingertips reaching for the top of that mat. Inhale, exhale. And inhale as you come up. And we're going to lower our body now into our locust pose. So raise those feet up behind you, lifting the thighs up, reaching the hands back, the chest is up as high as you can, reaching. Inhale, exhale, and lower down. Lift the body up, back into downward dog. Hips are raising to the sky, feet are pointed, and flip them back over. Reach those heels to your mat, palms into the mat, head down. Wonderful job with the downward dog. Inhale and exhale, stepping that left foot forward, coming into our warrior one. Get your balance and then raise those arms up over your head. Hands reaching for the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Do not put that knee past your toes. Keep the heel, the back leg heel off the mat. Getting ready to go into our next asana, our reverse warrior. And that right arm is going to slide down that right leg, and the left arm is coming up. Bicep right by your face. Keep it close, arching the back slightly. Exhale as you change into your triangle pose. Inhale, left arm to the mat, right arm pointing up to the sky. Exhale. Inhale, exhale as you look up to the sky or look at your mat. Inhale, exhale as we move into our wide-legged forward fold. Have the legs far apart, arm width apart. And hinge at the hips as you lower down, stopping right here, holding on to your shins or the mat. If you can, lower the head, trying to get it to the mat. You can also use a block right here to rest your head on or a pillow. Inhale. Exhale, hands come in front. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. As we come out of this asana, turning now to your left to face forward. And we are going to now come into our malasana. Slowly lower. Our glutes are sitting near our heels. Hands into prayer. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful job. Coming now into our easy pose, our palms are facing up. Close your eyes here and inhale. Malasana. Lower the body. We're going back into that locust. This time, see if you can reach those thighs even higher off the mat. The arms reaching even farther back. Reaching the chest up high, higher and higher. And lower it back down. And push back into your downward dog. Pressing into that mat. You can really feel this in your shoulders. See if your heels can reach any closer to the mat now. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale out your mouth. Stepping the right leg forward now. Getting ready to get into our warrior one. Get your balance first. Make sure the knee is not going past the toes. Bring those arms up over your head, reaching for the sky. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale as you transition into reverse warrior. Exhale. Hand slides down that left thigh. Right arm now. Bicep is near your face. Exhale, bring that hand back down. Inhale. Turning now into our triangle pose with our right hand coming down to that ankle, and the left arm is pointing up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Looking down at the mat or looking up at the sky where your fingers are pointing. Inhale. Exhale, coming out of your triangle. Coming now into our next forward wide-legged fold. Hands to the mat. Hands on now to your shins if you can. Maybe this time you can go a little farther. Head to the mat if you can. If not, stay wherever is comfortable. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hands come out. Exhale as you bring your feet inward. Beautiful job. Keep the hands on the mat. And let's take a mountain pose here. Come all the way up with your hands over your head into prayer. Down to your heart as you exhale. And again, inhale, bringing the hands up overhead. Exhale. As we slowly lower back into our Malasana. This time we're on our toes. And lower the body down. Coming into boat. Our knees are bent. And we're going to elevate those legs. You can have them straight out or keep them bent. And you can hold the back of the knees here if you need some more stability. Or for a challenge, have your hands out to the side, floating. If you need any more support, you can always use blocks at your side and rest your hands there. Now we're going to slowly lower the legs. Scoot forward as we lower slowly into our Shavasana, vertebrae by vertebrae. Hands over for one last stretch. And now we relax into our complete Shavasana. It's very important to do this last pose, your corpse pose, for complete relaxation of all those muscles that you just worked. You should be feeling wonderful. All the oxygen is flowing through your body. Our head is relaxed, our hands and fingers are relaxed. Shoulders, relax those into the mat. Relax the feet and the toes. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale, raising your hands now and come out of your Shavasana, or you may stay here for as long as you need. If you're following me, come up. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day.